Today's episode of Super Kenny is brought to you by my Closet and Dunkin' Donut. Scratch that, scratch that. Now, let's talk about this donut. Ooh. Wait a minute. One of my donuts is missing. Remy! Did you eat my donut? It's a lie, guys. I actually ate one of the donuts downstairs. I just like to blame her for things. It's about to pop up right now. Anyways, guys, before I continue with this video, I just want to let you guys know that nothing in this video is sponsored, okay? I just love what I love, okay? With the title of this video, you guys can see that I am cleaning my room. Guys, I feel like COVID actually I feel like COVID did something to me, guys. COVID did something to me because my room has never been this dirty before. It's never, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm cleaning up this room today. The struggle of having braces, guys. The struggle. I'm cleaning up the room. Let me just go. Let me clean. I'm embarrassed of how this room looks right now. I'll show you what it looks right now, and we're gonna clean it up. With that being said, I'm about to clean this room up. I'm about to bring it from shebang to shebang bang bang bang. I'm not sure what's going on. By the way, guys, if you have not seen my last video, go check it out. Go check it out, and then you know why I have this on. If you're wondering why I have this on, then you've not checked my last video. So go check my last video out. I put it somewhere here. I put it in the description box. Let's go. I'm wasting time already. Some of this video, some of the clips will be fast forwarded, so I won't waste your time. Alright? So peace out. Bye. I'm gonna be doing is taking care of my clothes. I just did laundry, so I'm putting all my clothes where they belong. Long shorts needs to be where long shirt is. Short ones needs to be there. T-shirt needs to be there. Long sleeve I think you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, so I'm gonna arrange the clothes first, and then we'll start getting all the dirt out of this room. All right. So hot in here. I'm hot, guys. I'm so hot. Yes, you are. Ow. I wish money would slap me like that, but no, I'm broke.
Something happen for the crush. For Surulere for the top. Picky became tampos. We nobody could stop. summer than the shiver. Now you be the one, just believe it. Like diva, my diva. Oh, you turn Batman to see.